Hi there. Welcome to my Excel tutorial channel. I hope you will find my Excel tutorial clip is helpful. Please feel free to click to like, to share with your friends, or subscribe my Excel tutorial channel. Today, I am going to show you how to use some of the great Excel shortcut keys. In this Excel tip, we'll show you 10 of the most useful Excel shortcut keys. Now, let's get started. Knowing and using keyboard shortcuts while using Excel is one of those basic Excel skills that can help you save a ton of time every day. There are more than 500 keyboard shortcuts that you can use in Excel, but the problem is not all of those can be helpful for you. The first keyboard shortcut is Ctrl+. This shortcut will insert today's date for you. See the example of today's as enter within typing all the date. The second keyboard shortcut is Ctrl+Shift+. This shortcut will insert current time for you. See the example of current time as enter within typing the time. The third keyboard shortcut is Ctrl+Shift+#. This shortcut will change the format of a date for you. See the example of current date format has changed. The fourth keyboard shortcut is Ctrl+5. This shortcut will apply a strike through to the text in a cell for you. See the example of alphabet A has strike through to the text. The fifth keyboard shortcut is Ctrl+0. This shortcut will hide the current column for you. See the example of column K has been hid. The sixth keyboard shortcut is Ctrl+9. This shortcut will hide the current row for you. See the example of row 16 has been hid. The seventh keyboard shortcut is Ctrl+F6. This shortcut will switch between Open Workbooks, that is, open Excel files in different windows for you. See the example of workbooks have been switched. The eighth keyboard shortcut is Ctrl+, page up or page down. This shortcut will do quick shift between the sheets in the currently open workbook for you. See the example of open sheets have been switched. The ninth keyboard shortcut is F2. This shortcut will start editing the current selected cell much faster than double-clicking for you. See the example of the cursor on the cell. The 10th keyboard shortcut is Shift+F10. This shortcut will opens the right-click menu for the cell you are in for you. See the example of the menu open on the cell. Voila! You have successfully learned the great 10 shortcut keys in Excel. Thank you for watching. Please click to like, to share with your friends, or subscribe my Excel tutorial channel. Goodbye. See you in my next clip.